You clicking on this video is a sign itself that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants you to be a better Muslim. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Safura Rahim. Welcome back to my channel. Today I invite you to join me as we delve into the essence of Islam and explore 5 meaningful steps that have personally enriched my life and deepened my connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I'll be sharing some hadith simultaneously that contributes to the steps I'm mentioning here. Hadith number 1. Verily, actions are judged by intentions, and every person will have whatsoever they intended. Step 1. Intentions. Your niyyah. Intention is like the starting point for everything we do as Muslims, right? It's important because it helps us stay sincere and focused on pleasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When we have good intentions behind our actions, even simple things like helping others or praying, they become more meaningful and closer to what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants from us. So having a good intention is like the key to becoming a better Muslim because it guides our actions in the right direction. So, the first step is setting your intention for becoming a better Muslim. Hadith number 2. The first thing the people will be accountable for on the day of judgment is Salah, prayer. Allah will say to His angels, "Look at my slaves' prayers. Were they completed or not? If they were complete, it will be recorded as complete. If they were not fully complete, Allah will say, see, if my slave has voluntary prayers, and if he has them, Allah will say, complete my slave's obligatory prayers with his voluntary prayers." Subhanallah, look at His mercy. Step 2. Prayer and connection. Connection with Ar-Rahman. Salah provides a direct means of communication with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, fostering a deep spiritual connection. It serves as a reminder of Allah's presence in every aspect of life, enhancing mindfulness and consciousness of Him. 2. Discipline and routine. Establishing a regular prayer routine instills discipline in one's life. By adhering to the 5 daily prayers, Muslims develop self-control, punctuality, and consistency, which are essential traits for personal and spiritual growth. Hadith number 3. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Kindness is a mark of faith, and whoever is not kind has no faith." Step 3. Act of kindness. Let's reflect on the transformative power of kindness. Personally, I have experienced how even the smallest act of kindness can have a ripple effect, spreading joy and warmth to those around me. Whether it's lending a listening ear to a friend in need or simply offering a warm smile to a stranger, let's strive to embody the kindness that lies at the heart of our faith. Hadith number 4. The Messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, "The best of people are those who are the most beneficial to people." Step 4. Serving others. For me, serving others has been a source of immense fulfillment and purpose. Whether it's helping your parents or siblings or lending a helping hand to a neighbor or a friend, the opportunity to make a positive difference in someone's life is a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Look for ways to serve others in your community and watch as your actions bring blessings to both yourself and those you serve. Hadith number 5. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is beautiful and loves beauty. Step 5. Seeking excellence. Lastly, let's strive for excellence in all that we do. Personally, I have found that approaching every task with sincerity and dedication not only brings me closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala but also allows me to fulfill my potential as a servant of His creation. Whether it's excelling in our studies, careers, or personal endeavors, let's aim for excellence as an expression of our love and devotion to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As we come to an end of this video, I want to share a beautiful dua to keep our hearts firm on our deen.
يا مقلب القلوب ثبت قلبي على دينك.
As I have previously told in my videos, no one is perfect, neither I nor you. Perfection is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What we can do in our capacity is to strive for the best because He sees our niyyah and our efforts. That's why keep believing, keep striving that we will become better inshallah day by day. As we conclude our journey today, may these personal insights inspire you on your own path to becoming a better Muslim. Remember, dear brothers and sisters, that the journey of faith is a deeply personal one, and each one of us has our own unique experiences and reflections to share. So do let me know your take on becoming a better Muslims in the comments below. Jazakumullahu khairan for listening me today. May you be surrounded by the peace and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As Ramadan has came to an end, make lots and lots of du'as. Keep remember me in your prayers and I'll do the same for all of you. Until next time, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.